Well, bro, honestly, I think everyone should start a business. I mean, I know there's a lot of debates when these, these internet inspiration entrepreneurs go online and say quit your job and, start a business. You don't need to work for the man, boo, boo, boo. So what I tell people when it comes to being a business owner is not what you see on Instagram. A lot of people, they go on Instagram or Facebook or just TV in general, media in general, and they see entrepreneurs flying on jets and living like they James Bond and stuff like that. And they think like that's what being a business owner is. And a lot of people don't understand is that just simply owning multiple properties make you a business owner. You know what I'm saying? If you start an LLC and use that LLC to invest in other companies that make you an entrepreneur, you can be a venture capitalist or whatever you want to call it. You can still work a job and be a business owner. Yeah. I've done it. You've done it. Yeah. A lot of people do it. I know people who have $1 million companies that still have jobs. Wow. So that's why I tell people, don't fall for the hype. Don't fall for all that social media. You got to make $1 million and, be all you can be. Fall for I'm going to have multiple sources of income, so my job starts to act funny. I have somewhere else to lean on. Yeah. Because think about it. Where are some ways you can build multiple sources of income without, in some way, directly or indirectly owning a business?
What are some ways? Just reselling stuff. Selling stuff online.
But you're going to want the tax benefits, though, right?
Yeah.
So you will end up owning a business then, right? Yeah. You see how it all comes back in? And people are like, well, I'm just going to sell stuff out of my store. Well, if once you make a certain type of money, once you make a certain amount of money, you're going to fall into a higher tax bracket, so you're going to end up wanting to start a business anyway.
To save on it, yep.
Exactly.